Want to add clickable links to websites in your Obsidian notes? It's very simple, and in this video I'll show you how to create an external link and customize the text that people click on. Let's say I'm working on my Prague trip note and I want to add a link to the Prague Castle website. The simplest way is to write the link directly into the note. Obsidian will recognize it as a clickable URL, but you can also make the link look much cleaner by using custom link text. To do this, start with an opening square bracket. Type the text you want people to see and close it with a closing square bracket. Then immediately add an opening parenthesis, paste the website address, and close it with a closing parenthesis. So it looks like this. Once I finish the link, Obsidian turns the text into a clickable link. Now, instead of seeing a long URL in my note, I just have Prague Castle, and clicking it opens the website in my browser. This is especially useful when you're creating travel notes, research notes, or anything else where you want to reference information from other websites without filling your notes with long URLs. Use the URL directly when you want to show the address, or use the bracket and parenthesis format when you want cleaner, custom link text. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly tutorials. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.